Web3 and the Metaverse are often talked about together when people discuss what's next for the internet. The two concepts are closely related, but they approach the next chapter of the internet from different perspectives. While Web3 focuses on the relationship between users and information and who controls it, the Metaverse concentrates primarily on how the information is presented and how users experience it. Web 1.0, Web 2.0, and Web 3 describe the evolution from the read-only web, the read and write web, to read, write, and own web. The Metaverse is an evolution from two previous iterations of the internet, when users first accessed primarily text-based information, then consumed information in the form of text, images, videos, and real-time live streams. The Metaverse envisions a future where users consume information in a fully immersive, virtual, real-time, and three-dimensional interface. Some even believe that users might experience the Metaverse involving all five senses, making the Metaverse essentially an alternative reality. The Metaverse concept was coined by author Neal Stephenson in his 1992 science fiction novel Snow Crash. The term gained popularity over the last few years as the idea of a virtual reality-based Internet of Experience caught the public's imagination. Sales of virtual reality headsets increased, and video games with virtual world elements became popular. These games provide the closest Metaverse experience for consumers today. Despite some initial progress toward the Metaverse, there are still different opinions about what the Metaverse is or should be. There are some people who believe that the Metaverse will be driven by virtual reality, with users wearing VR headsets, fully immersed in virtual worlds, and disconnected from their real environment. Another camp believes that augmented reality should be the primary mode of interaction. Users wear AR glasses or other interface devices to access an extra informational layer of perception while staying present with their physical environment. Other companies believe mixed reality is a better option, where users interact with physical and virtual items. Mixed reality allows users to immerse themselves in the real world while interacting with virtual environments, essentially enjoying the benefits of both worlds. Still, others believe digital twins will be what makes the Metaverse genuinely revolutionary. Digital twins are a real-time virtual representation of physical objects or processes. The Metaverse will likely include all the above elements, each serving different purposes. But one thing is certain: blockchain and cryptocurrencies are likely essential components of the Metaverse. When we work, socialize, and purchase digital items in the Metaverse, we need a secure way of showing ownership of digital items and transferring such ownership between people regardless of the platform they exist on. Digital money that can cross borders easily will be needed for a global, borderless Metaverse. We will also want to participate in governance if the Metaverse is a large part of our lives. Future iterations of current blockchain technologies are what will be used in the Metaverse, although we can already see their applicability today. For example, blockchain-based wallets will enable people to have digital identities and own digital assets. Cryptocurrencies are easier to audit than in-game currencies, and it is easy to transfer and convert digital currency via the blockchain, whereas centrally administered in-game currencies and assets are not transferable among different gaming ecosystems. Moreover, just as we can establish who owns something, we can also show that an item is original and unique using blockchain technology. This ability is critical in the Metaverse because digital objects can be easily copied. Governance tokens and DAOs provide the tools for decentralized decision-making, allowing users to control the rules of their interaction with the Metaverse. In fact, early blockchain-based Metaverse projects already exist and are experimenting with new business models. Play-to-earn games, for example, are built with blockchain technology and let users play games to generate income while having fun. The Metaverse is an exciting future chapter of our digital lives, and blockchain is a core engine powering that future. In the following two modules, we will learn about GameFi and NFTs in more detail.
Now, let's look at what you have learned in this class. Answer this question in the comments, and if it's correct, we'll let you know with a like. What is the Metaverse? Choose all that apply. A. The Metaverse is where users consume information in a fully immersive, virtual, real-time, and three-dimensional fashion. B. The Metaverse is the Internet of Experience. C. The Metaverse is the read, write, and own web. D. The Metaverse has blockchain and cryptocurrencies as its essential components. E. The Metaverse can be virtual reality, augmented reality, and mixed reality.